So let's learn and enjoy mathematics.
Let us solve real-life problems involving the law of sines and law of cosine. What could be our objectives? First, let us identify the given triangle conditions. Second, illustrate mathematical models of oblique triangles based on real-life scenarios. And third, calculate missing distances and angles accurately using the law of sines and law of cosines. Before we start our lesson, let us make a short review. Number one, what is the main purpose of the law of sines and the law of cosines? So the purpose is by using A, solve oblique triangles, B, find area of circles, C, solve right triangles only, and letter D, find the circumference of the circles. So the answer is letter A. So the answer for letter A, that is solve oblique triangles. The formula A over sine A is equal to B over sine B is called, or when the time to be used this equation. A, law of cosine, B, on law of sine, C, Pythagorean theorem, or letter D, triangle inequality theorem. So the answer is letter B, that is law of sines. Which formula belongs to the law of cosines? A, c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine c. Letter B, a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Letter C, a over sine A is equal to b over sine B. Letter D, a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. The answer, that is letter A. C squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine c. How about number 4? Which case is best solved using the law of sines? A, SSS, B, SAS, letter C, ASA, or letter D, none of this. So the answer, that is letter C, ASA. The law of cosine is most useful when given A, ASA, B, AAS, C, SSS, or letter D, AAA. So the answer, that is letter C, SSS. If all three sides of a triangle are known, which law should be used first? A, law of sines, B, law of cosine, C, angle-sum theorem, or letter D, Pythagorean theorem. So the answer, that is letter B, law of cosines. In triangle ABC, you are given that angle A equals 45 degree, angle B that is equal to 60 degree, and side A is equal to 10 centimeter. What is the approximate length of side B? A, 12.25 centimeter, B, 10.54 centimeter, C, 8.71 centimeter, or letter D, 14.15 centimeter. So the answer, that is letter A, 12.25 centimeter. In triangle ABC, A equals 8 meters, angle B 70 degrees, and angle A, that is 30 degrees. Find the value for the angle C. A 60 degrees, B 50 degrees, C 70 degrees, or letter D 80 degrees. So the answer is letter D, that is 80 degrees. In triangle ABC, A equals 8 meters, angle B that is 70 degrees, and angle A that is equal to 30 degrees. Find the value for the side B. A is equal to 15.76 meters, B 16.25 meters, letter C 15.35 meters, or letter D 15.04 meter. So the answer, that is letter D, that is 15.04. In triangle ABC, A equals 5 inches, side B equals 7 inches, and the included angle C is equal to 60 degrees. A is equal to 5.54 inches, B 7.80 inches, letter C 6.24 inches, or letter D 8.10 inches. So the answer is letter C, that is 6.24 inches. In solving problems using the law of sines and law of cosines, what could be the different step? So that is give sa. First, given, identify the information provided in the problem. Second, illustration, Draw a diagram, table, or model to represent the problem. Third, formula. Choose and write the correct formula to use. Number 4, solution. Solve the problem using the formula and calculations. And number 5, answer. State the final answer clearly and check if it makes sense. During their expeditions to Mount Apo, a team of grade 10 student surveyor is asked to map the area around a giant protected pine tree. They set up two observation stations to take measurements. Station A is located 8 km from the tree, and Station B is located 10 km from the tree. If the angle between their observation paths is 65 degrees, how far apart are the two grade 10 surveying stations? So, the given that is 8 kilometers, 10 kilometers, and 65 degrees. Based on the given problem, let us illustrate. If we illustrate based on the problem, we have station A is located 8 kilometer from the tree. So station A is 8 kilometer from the tree. And then station B is located 10 kilometer from the tree. So station B is located 10 kilometer from the tree. If the angle between their observation path is 65 degree, how far apart are the grade 10 surveying stations? So what do you think is the best solutions to solve this distance? So the formula that is c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine c. So the solution, the small a that is equal to 10, small b that is 8 kilometers, and the angle c that is 65 degrees. Let us replace all the value to the given formula. So that becomes c squared is equal to a that is 10 kilometer plus b that is 8 kilometer minus 2 times 8 times 10 cosine the angle 65 degree. 10 times 10 that is 100 plus 8 times 8 that is 64. And then 2 times 8 times 10 cosine 65 degrees in two decimal places, that is 67.62. So let us add. 100 plus 64 is 164 minus 67.62. If we subtract 67.62 from 164, c squared is equal to 96.38. So it means what could be the distance between the station A and station B? The distance or the value for c is equal to 9.82 kilometer. So 9.82 kilometer is the distance from the station A to station B. During their educational hike on Mount Apo, a group of grade 10 students helped a park ranger locate a protected tree. The students set up two observation stations that were 12 kilometers apart from the stations. They measured the angles to the tree as 48 and 72 degrees. How far is the protected tree from each observation station? So the given that is 12 kilometers and then 48 degrees and 72 degrees. So let us illustrate. So based on the given, we have the 48 degrees, 72 degrees angles, and then the observation stations that were 12 kilometer apart. So kung illustrate natin yan, so we have the 48 and 72 degrees, so that is 12 kilometers apart from station A and station B. So let us try what could be the value or another angle. So what could be the solution to identify the third value of the angle? The solution is by using the triangle sum theorem. So it means A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So it means angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus 48 degrees minus 72 degrees. So 180 minus 48 minus 72 degrees. So angle C, that is equal to 60 degrees. The value for the angle C, that is equal to 60 degrees. First, we need to identify the distance between the tree to the station B. So what could be our formula? Our formula C or A over sine A is equal to C over sine C. Smaller a is unknown, sine A that is sine 48 degrees, and then smaller c that is 12, sine 60 degrees. So if we replace all the value to the given formula, that becomes A all over sine 48 degrees is equal to 12 sine 60 degrees. So let us multiply both sides with sine 48 degrees, so cancel. So on the left side, that is A, is equal to 12 sine 48 degrees all over sine 60 degrees. So 12 sine 48 divided by sine 60 degrees using the calculator, A is equal to 10.30 kilometer. So it means in 10.30 kilometer, it should be 2 decimal places. So it means the protected tree from the protected tree to the station B, that is 10.30 kilometers. Next, we need to identify the another value between the station A and the protected tree. So it means B all over sine B is equal to C all over sine C. So let us replace all the value to the given formula. So that becomes B. So B sine 72 degrees is equal to 12 times sine 60 degrees. Afterwards, multiply both sides with sine 72 degrees, so cancel. So that becomes B is equal to 12 sine 72 degrees all over sine 60 degrees. So it means the value for B using the calculator, that is 13.18 kilometer. So it means station A up to the protected tree, that is 13.18 kilometers. A part of their fieldwork, the Grayton Surveyors team is helping park rangers map wildlife monitoring stations around Mount Apo. Using their surveying equipment, the team recorded the following distances. The distance from Survey Station A to Survey Station B is 12 kilometers. The distance from Survey Station B to Survey Station C is 15 kilometers. The distance from Survey Station A to Survey Station C is 18 kilometers. What is the measure of angle B? The angle at Survey Station B. So what could be the given? The given are 12 kilometers, 15 kilometers, and 18 kilometers. So based on the given, Survey Station to Survey Station B, that is 12 kilometers. Survey Station B to Survey Station C, that is 15 kilometers. Survey Station C to Survey Station A, that is 18 kilometers. So what could be the formula to be able to identify the angle B? So the formula, B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine B. So what could be our solution? B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine B. Smaller a, that is 15 kilometers. Smaller b, that is 18 kilometers. Smaller c, that is 12 kilometers. So let us replace all the value to the given formula. So that becomes 18 squared is equal to 15 squared plus 12 squared minus 2 times 15 times 12 cosine b. 18 times 18, that is 324. 15 times 15 is 225. 12 times 12 is 144. 2 times 15 is 30. 30 times 12 is negative 360. Copy cosine b. And then let us combine like terms. So negative 360 going to the left, that becomes positive 360 cosine b. Bring down 225, bring down 144. 324, change the sign. That is negative 324. Bring down 360 cosine b. So 360 cosine b, and then 225 plus 144 is 369 minus 324. The answer is 45 degrees. If we divide both sides with 360 degrees or 360, so the cosine b, that is equal to 0.125. To be able to identify the angle, shift cosine 0.125, the answer for the angle, that is 82.82 degrees. Instruction: answer the following questions. Provide your answers in the comment section.
Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.